Hey guys, so in today's quick video, I just want to talk about multiple flows of income because I think there's this saying out there that most millionaires have whatever 7 flows of income, and I think it's a lot of times it's misinterpreted. Yeah, that's I think how you say it. Because I think what a lot of you guys think is that you seven streams of income must mean you have let's say you have a salary, and then you have a business income, and then you have an income from royalties, for example, and you have an income from commissions, and you have an income from, all these different kinds of sources. But the actual background on that and the actually different kind of incomes, it does not need to mean that you need to be involved in 7 different things, right? It's great to have different sources of income. I have different sources of income, and that's really, really important because you do not want to rely on one source of income. But I just wanted to debunk the whole thing a little bit because I think there's a lot of false interpretation in this. I don't think there are that you should definitely, or that you should go after multiple different things that can make you income, but rather seek to search multiple flows of income from one opportunity. So for example, if you have a dropshipping business and you sell physical products, right? So that's one stream of income, right? It could be one of your products, it could be just your Shopify store, that's a flow of income, right? But then the next flow of income that you could add to that, for example, if you don't have more offers, if you don't have more products, what you could do, for example, if you're a triathlete, right, or you sell to triathlete, one of the flows of incomes that you could add once you sell your water bottles and running shoes and running gear and swimming gear, whatever you sell on your website, are guides and trainings from other people that you sell to your existing audience. So for example, you could sell digital things that you don't own, that you didn't make, but that really serve your audience well. And it's so much easier to find another stream of income and to find another a symbiosis. That's what you want to have. You want to have a way that is symbiotic to your original income. You don't want to deprive from that. You don't want to say, okay, now I have one store that sells triathlon gear, so let me put up another store that sells beauty equipment or lipstick. Like, that's not what you want to do. That's not the right or the easy way to build multiple streams of income. Because if you already have the stream of income from people that come to your website anyway, well, why not monetize it in different ways, right? So for example, like I say, you could have someone that already has an offer and you sell his offer, or you buy the rights for that, or you pay a commission, or there's some sort of agreement where you can sell someone else's product on your platform and monetize that. So that's your next stream of income, right? So where you have some other's education's product. Or then you could also sell people into groups, right? So you could say, okay, now that I have the physical thing and I sell someone else's program, maybe there's a third party, a third person that could be a partner in your business that you say, okay, here's a partner that organizes triathlons, right? So you would basically sell tickets to his triathlon depending on which city he's in or wherever the event is held, right? So that would be another stream of income. That would be the third stream of income, right? And all of that is deprived from one source. So if you have one stream, then you can leverage that stream, right? Or for example, I was on the phone. We have one customer for sourcing, and she has an agency, right? And then she's adding a physical product component to that agency that she also serves her clients, right? But you see, it's the same principle. You have one original stream, right? You have one original flow, and you just plug other offers into that flow, or you plug other, not necessarily other offers, but you just seek out different ways of getting income from those same opportunities, right? If you have a job opportunity, if you're working somewhere, well, maybe you can advance, right? So maybe you're doing one job, but maybe you can ask and work on commission to sell the company's products, right? So for example, let's say you're working for a company that is selling triathlon gear again, right? So you're working in a company, you're working in that department, and that company does not do any content marketing, right? So there's no content for it. So why don't you go and say, hey, I'm going to produce content. I'm going to make videos. I'm going to write blog posts. I'm going to do tutorials. I'm going to do a podcast about it for this brand, right? So you are creating income for the brand and you would get a commission. Or you would say, hey, like my company is only selling things offline, or we have a store, and why don't you propose to go online and then you manage the project, and you could maybe get the products on a consignment agreement, meaning you have one stream of income from your job, and then you have a consignment agreement, meaning you only need to pay for inventory once you sold it. It's basically like drop shipping, right? But it's from within your opportunity, within your company, within your stream of income, right? So you just double down on the stream, or you add an extra stream to that. And if you want to leave your paid job, and if you want to leave that company, well, then you can still focus on the online world, and then you might introduce other products from other brands or your own products into that same shop and increase the streams of income, right? But yet it's in the same opportunity. It's with the same traffic generated. It's with the same buyers. It's with the same web shop. It's with the same opportunity, right? So you stay within the same opportunity and you're just adding flows here. What you definitely want to avoid is to say, okay, I'm going to find 3 dropshipping stores. Like, that's not going to work, because each operation requires your full focus. So if you don't have anything that can give you full focus, then you will have a problem. Then if you build 7 streams of income, maybe 7 streams of income only worth as much as one stream, right? So you want to focus on that one stream and then add other opportunities to that one stream, and that is how you add wealth. Really, that is how you add multiple flows and multiple streams in multiple ways. It doesn't have to be always that black and white way, right? In my business, we created multiple flows of income. We have multiple offers, right? So we have digital offers to one core audience, and that is where all our streams of income come in, right? So we can sell services, right? Sourcing services or web services, or we manage people's Facebook ads, or any of these kind of things, right? I can sell digital programs, so we have digital knowledge that we sell in terms of courses for how do you set up your dropshipping site, how do you find winning products, how do you do any of these things in a digital way. Or I can say, hey, I'm gonna do things for you, so I'm gonna build the shop for you. I'm going to build out your ads for you, or I teach you the ads. And all of that doesn't necessarily have to be me. But because I'm working with the same person that we already working on sourcing, we can manage the sourcing part, and then I can bring in an expert that I know that I use for my business, pay her a commission, and she can consult my client on Facebook ads, and we just split the money. Right? So we split the income, and therefore we have multiple flows of income and multiple offers and multiple ways. We're not just sourcing or drop shipping or building out stores. Like, there are so many different opportunities within this one opportunity, right? What we don't do is we don't go out and say, okay, now we're serving people and helping them to make money online and to sell more products online, or to be profitable when selling products, right? Or getting out of a job. And then we what we don't do is say, okay, now let's open a restaurant, because that's another stream of income, right? You see what I mean? Like, the whole focus would be shifted. But because we're already in this opportunity, we can use the same team that we use for our own e-commerce shops, where we do multiple 7 figures. We can use that same team and leverage the team to help people do the same thing, consult them, build programs, or do things for other people, right? That's basically what we do. So it's all of these different streams of income. I hope I changed your mind a little bit about these different streams, and I hope that was interesting to you. If you did like that, leave me a comment below. Let me know if that fits your perspective, if you think that is a good idea. And if you have questions on how that fits into your opportunity, just leave me a question below in the comments below, and then I will get back to you about your opportunity. Perhaps I'll make another video about it. Or if you want to dig deeper into that, and if you want me to help you find what could be other streams of income within your opportunity, there's a link below in the video, or below this video in the description, where you can book a call. So go ahead, book a call with me, and then me or someone in the team is coming back to you. We find out what's the biggest opportunity that you are in. How can you go from where you are to the next level? And by the way, when I say next level, we're going to have a podcast come out soon. It's going to be called Next Level Entrepreneurs, an entrepreneur show. And if you want to join that, if you like podcasts, make definitely sure to subscribe to this channel, because here we will announce it earlier. We build up the whole set, we build up the whole new recording studio, and I'm super excited to share that with you soon. So now I just wish you a great day. I'm going to see you tomorrow with the next video. From now on, we're back doing daily videos. So I'll catch you tomorrow.